Magnetic phone mount. CD mount phone holder is designed to effortlessly hold any smartphone. It works with phones of all sizes and is compatible with most tablets and other digital devices. Adjsutable Phone Holder. Features industrial magnets combined with silicone grip for a quick snap solution. Install the metal disc with 3M adhesive behind or on your phone's case or directly to your device. Exterior car accessories. We provide you with plenty of car auto accessories to customize your vehicle. Check out our floor mats, deer alerts, phone cup holders, chargers, Bluetooth speakers and more. Custom Accessories, Inc. We have been delivering quality and innovative products for the interior and exterior of your vehicle, whether for sylistic enhancements, functional car parts or both. Aftermarket Accessories. Our mission at Custom Accessories is to offer automotive accessories from industry-leading brands. Feel excited about your vehicle with Armorall, Pennzoil, Realtree Extra and more. Top reviews from the United States. Awesome. This is the best phone magnet system I have ever used. It fits perfectly in my CD holder for my Solara Toyota and Lexus SUV. It is so much more sturdy than other magnet systems I have used. It comes with 2 super strong magnets that you stick to the back of your phone. I have an iPhone 7 and it holds great. My fiancé has an iPhone 12 with a case and he finds it holds better when he places the magnets outside of his case. For the price, this thing is awesome. It also swivels so you can position it towards you or away. I love it.